My name is Vision, and this is part 3 of creating your own programming language with Python. This video will cover topics like integers and printing out values of variables. For this video, you'll need to know some advanced string indexing in Python. That's basically all you'll need, so without further ado, let's get in the video. First, head to your parse function and go under the first conditional. Here, we're going to make a try statement and except for index error. In the previous video, we created a print statement to print out the text that the print statement was trying to print. You need to move this into the try statement. Now, if the quotes array is empty, we need to use this really cryptic looking, at first glance, statement that will basically take everything after the print statement, strip it down to just the text, and then take the value for that key in our dictionary, storing all our variables. Now we can move on to storing integers in our variables. First, create a variable called varType and set it equal to the string str. Next, create a try statement and except for value error. Now we need to check if there's a quote in our variable declaration. If we have a value error, we're going to set our variable type to int. Now we need to find the index of our equals, so we're going to use the index function. Then we take everything up to the equals and replace all spaces with an empty string. Now we create an if statement and an elif to check the type of our variable. If it's a string, then we can just take everything up to the last quote. Then we create a new entry in our dictionary and set the value to var value. If it's an integer, then var value is going to be everything after the equals with all spaces replaced with an empty string. Then store that in our dictionary after converting it to an integer. Finally, reset the var type. Thanks for watching. Before you go, I have one thing to add. If you're new here or have just not noticed, I have been experimenting with a new type of editing my videos. If you could comment down below any constructive criticism on my editing, that would be really appreciated. I would really like to improve my content for you guys. Also, bro, I'm so bad at talking without a script. Oh my god.